Zetarium Airdrop, the first thing, once you open the page, you're gonna see it like this. So you just touch on login with Twitter and then give it time. You're gonna connect your Twitter to it, because your activity on Twitter will be recorded. That is like engaging with their tweets and other activities that can earn you points, because it's the points that will be converted into the tokens. So once you are back, say logged out, that means I'm successfully logged in. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to connect my wallet. So I'm going to give it permission. Connecting my wallet now. I'm going to connect it. So got it. I've been connected now. So the next thing, second thing you do is to claim the GM points. You claim every day. So I'm going to go to my wallet to permit it. So confirm. Alright, so you can see I've earned points. I earned 20 yesterday, I earned 20 today, that is 40. So till the next 24 hours I'll claim again. And then the next thing you're going to do is to go to the prediction market. So this is the prediction market. So you're just going to predict buy or sell. So if you agree that BTC will hit 200,000 in January, which is impossible, you buy no. So for you to perform these activities here, you will need faucet. So if you touch faucet, it will take you to the faucet page. I'm at the faucet page, so you touch claim faucet. You go to your wallet and give it approval. Now claim. Now remember, you need test BNB to claim it, and the place that, so you see till next 24 hours I'm going to claim the faucet. Faucet is just audio money that you are going to use all together. So perform the transaction. So just to do each claim it, you connect your wallet, you claim those tokens, you make prediction. So you can touch market, it will now take you to the prediction page. I'm now at the prediction page. So the first transaction I performed, he said, will BTC hit 200,000 but in January? No, it's impossible, it will never happen. So I said no. Then I'm going to stake 250 USDC for that. So if it doesn't happen by January, I'm going to earn 700 USDC. So I'll say buy. I'm buying no. To earn points, if you are participating in this airdrop, number one is in the social taxes. Follow them on X, join Telegram, reply their tweets, quote their tweets, refer a friend, create content if you're a good content writer and tag them. On chain activities, you swap, create pool, create sales, purchase, prediction market. Then the sweetest part, daily claim of GM. This is based on consistency. You have to stay consistent to earn more, to boost, refer a friend, track progress. So if you are participating in this airdrop, Zetarium Airdrop, these are the things you need to do. So stay close to Crypto-Fotismós and like, share and tell someone about this video. If you are asking about where to get faucet so that you're able to claim your 1,000 USDC, that is faucet, you need to hold $2 worth of BNB in your wallet. But if you know you can't afford that, just reply in the comment section, I need. I'm going to give you a Telegram bot that you are going to get access to this faucet for free. That is what Crypto-Fotismós can do for you. Stay close to this channel. Ensure you subscribe. You have been watching and you have refused to subscribe. Ensure you subscribe to get fast and reliable information. Thank you very much.